Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like shake to reveal Polaroid sticker. Well, how you can like apply it to your stories. It's pretty new, so I'm just going to take a picture of this randomly, and I selected the stickers tab here if you didn't see that. Then I'm going to hit the frames button and I'm going to select a picture off of my camera roll. I'm going to select this one, for instance. You can add a caption here. I'm just going to type in like weekly. It'll also show the time as well, and I'm going to press done. And so when I post it to my story, it's going to reveal it once I've shaken it. So here I have to shake to reveal. So shake your phone to reveal it. I'm kind of trying to shake it. Just keep shaking it and ta-da, it will reveal it. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!